Hello, I am back. We are going to talk today about your canvas and preparation. This is my favorite size. It's 12 by 24. I get them at Michael's, I get them at Hobby Lobby. It is a 3/4 edge thickness, and we want to start with a canvas that is primed. You don't want to start with a raw one, but we want this to be tight, really tight. So what we do, there's two different ways. We're going to get a spray bottle of water. As this dries, it's going to tighten. Or if you don't have a spray bottle, okay, get your little water bottle. That puts on a lot of water. And we're going to spread it all around, go under the bar. And when this dries, it will tighten. Now, on the back of this, you can put push pins. I've seen small ones, I've used big ones. I don't put them usually on the bottom of my canvas because I usually use paint stands or cookie cutters to lay my canvas on. This painting will be cut off of the frame when we're done painting, embellishing, drying, and varnishing. Just so you know, that's what we'll be doing. Fabulous creations. So, blessings to you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye. Hi. Today we are going to talk about paints and different kinds of paints that we can use. Now, when we're first learning to do our fluid art, to our paint pours, we might not want to use some of the more expensive paints. We might want to use some more of the craft paints, and that's perfectly fine. I did, and I even include these in my paints now. So let me take you down a little bit closer and we'll talk about them. Let's look at some of these paints. We have Artist Loft, very affordable, find it at Michael's. That's where I usually get mine. We have a lot of the deco art, folk art, Anita's. These are all craft paints. They're very, very affordable. They come in beautiful colors like Color Shift. They're metallics, and this is perfect for if you're first starting out. Now let's look at this other side over here. We have 24 karat gold, a love. But they also come, Deco Art also makes the Americana Decor metallics beautiful. Amethyst, they have emerald greens, they have copper, bronze. And then we move on to Amsterdam, favorite paints. These are very high quality and they're just wonderful. My local store, art store, doesn't carry them anymore, so it's harder for me now to get them, which I'm a little sad about. But I will order them online. I love these. Then we have Liquitex also. I use a lot of Liquitex. Beautiful colors to use. Now, I'm not mentioning all of the colors or all the brands. There's a lot more out there. These are the ones I use the most. Hebio makes beautiful colors, and these are all iridescents. I love them. So go explore your store or online for the paints that you love. If you're just starting out, start with these. Go to these when you feel more comfortable. You are going to be making beautiful paintings and beautiful colors. And look at what other people recommend for their paints and their colors, and you're gonna have some fun. Okay, that's it for today. Blessings to you. Well, I'm back. I cannot believe that I forgot all about my Goldens. I have a whole box full of Goldens, and these are just top of the line. Now, we have the tube, all kinds of beautiful colors. And then we have these where you squirt in, and you don't need as much, with the golden paints, you don't need as much paint as you normally would because it's so pigmented. Squirt these in. Here you have high flow. I don't use these as much. They're very liquidy, but you can use those to add color. So I cannot talk about paints without talking about golden. I use these as much as I do for then the Amsterdam paints. So don't forget your goldens. All right, now we'll say goodbye again. Blessings to you and your day.